Beautiful smile. Let me see the beautiful smiles on your faces. I like to see all my children smiling. I can understand you must be very sad just now because you are not able to go out and meet your friends, play with them. Everybody is locked indoors, yes? Everybody is sad. But you don't have to keep that sadness with you all the time. Right? You have to learn to be happy in every situation. Your parents are there at home. Some of you must be having your brothers and sisters at home. Some must be having the grandparents even. Some of them who are living in joint families, your uncle, aunties, cousins, everybody must be there. So enjoy with everybody. Play with everybody. Be happy with everybody. And even study. Give your time for everything. Your studies at the right time and then enjoy and play. Right? And I told you do a lot of reading. If you don't have story books, you pick up your course books and you read from there. When you read, you'll come to know a lot of things. Right? Where is this action? Rishita, what are you doing? Yes, Rishita, what happened? There. Immediately the camera is switched off. You know, you children have become very smart now. Since your nursery class, you went to school in the nursery? Nursery class, you did go to school. And now since you are attending classes online, you are very smart. You know how to switch off the mic, you know how to switch it on, you know how to switch on the camera. कुछ करना है जल्दी से कैमरा ऑफ करके बैठ गए. मैम ने कुछ बोला, अगर नहीं आंसर करना है कैमरा ऑफ कर दिया. Technology is very nice, children, but you have to use it in the right way. Okay? Right? पहले क्या होता था, मम्मी बोलती थी ज़्यादा मोबाइल यूज़ नहीं करना है, आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी. यस, मम्मी मोबाइल नहीं टच करने देती थी ना ज़्यादा जब नर्सरी क्लास में थे. एंड नाउ फॉर द पास्ट 2 years, now the situation has become so bad that we are all using this technology. All the time attending classes on the phone. Yes, homework also phone में देख के करना है. So you have to be careful. You don't have to use it in the wrong way. Don't keep playing with it. Right? And make sure all the girls are wearing proper hairband with the hair going at the back. If your hair is coming in on your face, your eyes are getting covered, you will not be able to see properly and there will be a problem. Right? All of you must dress up smartly and sit in the morning for your classes. कुछ बच्चे मैंने देखा है बेड से उठकर सीधे क्लास करने बैठ जाते हैं. Don't do that. Okay, dress up smartly. See, your teacher also gets up in the morning every day, gets ready, and then sits for the class. I get happy to see you all. Yes or no? जब क्लास नहीं हो रही थी, वेकेशंस थी, तब आप लोग भी परेशान थे ना? कुछ करने के लिए नहीं था. You were sad. Now you are having your classes. You are busy. Yes. Okay. How many of you were happy जब classes नहीं हो रही थी? जब वेकेशन चल रही थी, क्लासेस नहीं हो रही थी, कौन कौन बहुत खुश था? Tell me truly. Don't feel scared. How many of you are happy कि चलो अब क्लासेस नहीं हो रही है, देर तक सो सकते हैं, जल्दी उठना नहीं है, पढ़ाई नहीं करना है? Yes. Inaya. Okay, Inaya. You were happy? क्लासेस नहीं हो रही है, देर तक सो सकते हैं आराम से. मम्मी उठना आइएगा नहीं कल जल्दी, कल क्लास नहीं है. Yes. We all like to do that, children, you know. We are all human beings. We all like to do that. और कल जब छुट्टी शाम को डे बिफोर yesterday when मैम posted the message, जब मैम ने मैसेज पोस्ट करा था no online classes, you must have got very happy ना. ओ मम्मी कल छुट्टी है, कल क्लास नहीं है, कल देर तक सोएंगे. Yes. We all get happy when we get a holiday. But we have to study also. Okay? So remember, whatever work I am sending you, you have to complete your work. All of you have to complete everything. You know, when the
मैम
school... Yes, Sakina?
मैम कैसे राइटिंग थी छुट्टियों में करने के लिए
Yes?
छुट्टियों में करने के लिए कर्सिव राइटिंग थी
यस कर्सिव राइटिंग करनी थी. कर्सिव राइटिंग आपको रोज करनी है. मैंने शुरू में बताया था 1 पेज ऑफ कर्सिव राइटिंग एवरी डे. आई होप यू आर डूइंग इट. आई होप यू आर डूइंग कर्सिव राइटिंग एनी डे. किसी भी पेज की पिक्चर हम बोलेंगे क्लिक करके सेंड करने के लिए. प्लीज बी प्रिपेयर्ड. And you know, when the schools will open, when a lockdown will finish and we will come back to school, when we teachers will come back to school, if not the children, if the teachers start coming to school, then you have to be prepared with your notebooks, your copies. Any one day we will tell the parents to reach the copies to school for correction. So make sure आपने copies बनाई हैं, सारा काम complete हो रहा है regularly. जब लॉकडाउन फिनिश होगा, टीचर स्कूल जाएंगे, तो किसी एक दिन पेरेंट्स को बोलेंगे आकर कॉपीज दे जाइए बच्चों की, काम चेक करना है. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर कंप्लीटिंग योर वर्क. ओके, नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द लेसन सोशल स्टडीज. ओके, लेट मी सी हु रिमेंबर्स. हमने कौन सा लेसन अभी कंप्लीट करा है सोशल स्टडीज में? मंजीत. Manjeet, who is Manjeet? Are you Manjeet? Manjeet, which lesson have we completed in social studies? Omansh, which lesson have we completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Omansh, which lesson have we completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Which lesson? Give me the name of the lesson.
Ma'am, we need food. Ma'am, we need food.
Okay, Ayat, we need food. All of you याद आया? इसका मतलब है रिवीजन नहीं हो रहा है, आप लोग भूल जाते हैं जल्दी जल्दी. याद रखना है कौन सा लेसन किस सब्जेक्ट में हम लोग कर रहे थे. ओके, नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 1313. पेज नंबर 1313. Quickly, 1313. There are some pictures given over there. Write the names of the food items shown in the pictures. You have to write the names. Now quickly you will tell me what food items are there. Aram, which is the first picture? Aram, what can you see in the first picture?
Milk.
Aram, you can see milk. M-I-L-K, milk. Right over there, children. M-I-L-K, milk. Quickly. M-I-L-K, milk. Okay, very good. Ria, what can you see in the second picture?
Ma'am, bread.
Bread, very good. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Right over there. Adhiraj, pay attention, sit straight. Adhiraj, can you see the picture? What are these? Unmute yourself and answer.
Ma'am, egg.
Eggs. Okay, good. Children, write over there. E-double-G-S, eggs. अधिराज, मैंने आपको बोला आपके पास बुक्स नहीं है, आप रजिस्टर लेकर सब कुछ उसमें लिखते रहेंगे बैठकर. ऊपर आप सब्जेक्ट डालेंगे, डेट डालेंगे, पेज नंबर डालेंगे, हेडिंग, और वो सारा काम करेंगे, जिससे आपकी जब बुक्स आ जाएंगी आप ये सब काम अपनी बुक्स में कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
यस. All right, the next picture, Ishanvi. What can you see in the next picture? You have the book, Ishanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fish.
Fish. Fish. Fish. Adiraj, right? Fish. Fish. Rishita, what can you see in the next picture? Rishita, what can you see in the next picture, child?
Huh? Ma'am, rice.
Ayat?
Ma'am, rice.
You are Ayat or Rishita?
Ma'am, ayat.
Then Ayat, I am asking Rishita.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Rishita? Rishita, can you hear me? Switch on your mic. What can you see in the next picture?
Fish.
After the fish, we finish with fish. The next picture, Rishita.
Rice.
Rice. Okay. RICE. Rice. All of you can see the pictures there and all of you can recognize these food items. Hassan, the next picture. Look at the last picture on that page, Hassan.
Ma'am, chapati.
Chapati, right. CHAPATI. Write the spelling there and please put over there learn. Write over there learn. LEARN, learn on that exercise. You got to know this exercise, children. Put there learn. Okay, now turn the page, moving to the next lesson. Moving on to the next lesson. We have finished with the food, different kind of food that you eat, and we have finished talking about myself. All of you know yourself now. Now we are going to talk about our clothes. We all wear different kind of clothes in the different seasons. So we are going to study that now in this lesson. Okay, Hassan, don't play with your hand. Don't do this. Don't hide your face, okay? Now you tell me, Hassan. Unmute yourself. Hassan, mic on करिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hassan. Now tell me, when it is very cold, winter season, what kind of clothes do you wear? आप टी-शर्ट, शर्ट्स, इस तरह के कपड़े पहनते हैं जब बहुत ठंड होती है, विंटर्स?
No, ma'am.
नो. व्हाट डू यू वेयर? सोच के बताइए, इतना तो आप लोगों को पता है. हसन,
No sweater.
स्वेटर पहनते हैं. ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके, व्हाट एल्स डू यू वेयर, आराध्या? विंटर्स में जब बहुत ठंड होती है स्वेटर्स पहनते हैं, और क्या पहनते हैं? मम्मी की तरफ मत देखिए बेटे, आप लोगों को पता है ना, जब बहुत ठंड होती है विंटर्स में मम्मी आपको क्या क्या पहनाती है, आपको पता है ना? तो सोच के बताइए.
स्वेटर।
स्वेटर्स पहनाती है. ओके. Arav, what else do you wear?
मैम जैकेट।
You wear jackets. Okay, very good. Sakina, what do you wear?
मैम जब ठंडक होती है तो हम लोग जैकेट पहनते हैं, स्वेटर पहनते हैं।
Okay, very good. You wear jackets, you wear sweaters, you wear caps on your head. Then you wear gloves. Mummy keeps your hands warm. She gives you little gloves. She gives you socks, warm socks. Yes, you wear all this in the winter season. Okay. Now, when it rains very heavily, जब आप स्कूल आते थे, नर्सरी क्लास में थे, जब बारिश होने लगती थी तो मम्मी कुछ बच्चों के रेनकोट्स लेकर आती थी. यस, गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यस. हैव यू ऑल सीन अ रेनकोट? ऑल ऑफ यू हैव सीन अ रेनकोट?
मैम
ओके.
मेरी मम्मा कहती थी कि जब भी स्कूल जाना तो लड़ाई झगड़े मत करना।
Okay, just now we are talking about something else, Shubh. Okay. So, mummy used to bring raincoats. That is the right thing. स्कूल में लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करते हैं शुभ. मम्मी सही चीज समझाती थी. Okay. So now we are talking about the clothes. You wear raincoat when it rains. जब बारिश होती है ना तब सब लोग रेनकोट पहन के अपने आप को उससे प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. We keep ourselves safe. And we use one more thing. जब बारिश होती है अगर हमारे पास रेनकोट नहीं है तो हम एक चीज और है जो यूज कर सकते हैं.
मैम
Inaya, don't answer out of turn, child. Your answer is correct, but you remember you have to raise your hand.
अम्ब्रेला।
We use an umbrella or a raincoat. Rainy season. Now, when it is very hot, जब बहुत गर्मी होती है, for example, just now we are having the summer season. अगर इस समय आपको कोई बोलेगा विंटर कैप पहन लीजिए, स्वेटर पहन लीजिए, जैकेट्स पहन लीजिए, क्या आप पहनेंगे?
नो मैम।
अभी जो सीजन चल रहा है, इस सीजन में अगर आपको मम्मी बोलेंगे स्वेटर पहन लो, विल यू वेयर? You will not wear because this is summer season. In summers, we wear cotton clothes, light color clothes, right? So, children, in different seasons, we wear different types of clothes. And why do we wear clothes? For example, in the house, when we were studying about the lesson, in science, we studied the lesson our home, and we studied that our home protects us from heat, cold, wind, rain, animals. In the same way, our clothes protect our body. They protect our body from heat, cold, rain, dust, dirt. Yes, when we wear nice clothes, we cover our body. Our body looks nice and we are clean. So clothes are very important for us, children. We need to wear clothes. We need to wear proper clothes. And clothes are made for different seasons. As per the seasons, you have to wear your clothes. Summer season, when it is very hot, we wear cotton clothes. For example, now we are in the summer season. अभी हम लोग सब ने cotton के clothes पहने हुए हैं. We are all wearing cotton clothes जिसमें हमें अच्छा लगता है. We feel nice and cool. And we wear light colored clothes in the summer season. Then you have the winter season. Winter season when it is very cold. Then mummy gives you woolen clothes to wear. Woolen clothes, your jackets, sweaters, caps, gloves, mufflers, woolen socks, all these
मैम
things. Shubh, you have to say, excuse me, ma'am.
सॉरी मैम।
Yes, sure. You want to ask something?
मैम जब भी गर्मी आती थी मेरे पापा मुझे रोज फ्रूटी लाते थे.
Okay, fine, good. So, we wear woolen clothes in the winter season. In the rainy season or the monsoon, rainy season को हम monsoon season भी बोलते हैं, जब बहुत बारिश होती है, अगर हमें बाहर जाना है तो उसके लिए हम रेनकोट यूज़ करते हैं, अम्ब्रेला यूज़ करते हैं, और भी इवन वे गम बूट्स, पैरों में नॉर्मल शूज़ अगर हम पहन के जाते हैं, हमारे शूज़ पानी में ख़राब हो जाते हैं, देन सम पीपल दे वेयर गम बूट्स, दोज लॉन्ग बूट्स दे वेयर. Okay, so you're going to study about all these things in this lesson. Now page number 14. Page number 14. Put your finger there. I'm reading. Pay attention. All of us need clothes. They cover our body and protect us from heat, cold, rain, and wind. Clothes protect us from dust, from dirt and dust. Tailors stitch our clothes. Clothes make us look smart and good. Okay. Shivansh, who stitches our clothes?
मैम
Yes, Shivansh, who stitches our clothes? कपड़े कौन stitch करता है?
टेलर.
Tailor, that's right. A tailor stitches our clothes, children. And we all feel nice when we wear our nice smart clothes. We all look nice, and clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, dirt, dust, wind, all these things. They make us look beautiful. Now there are different types of clothes. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. First you have summer season. We wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Such clothes are of light shade and keep our body cool. Cotton comes from the cotton plants. Cotton comes from the cotton plant. Where does the cotton come from, Hassan? Hassan, where does the cotton come from? I just read that line. Nipun, cotton comes from the...
यस मैम.
Cotton comes from the... अभी मैंने read करा, आपने सुना नहीं. Cotton comes from the cotton plant. आपने कॉटन देखी है, व्हाइट कलर की कॉटन. अगर किसी को चोट लग जाती है तो कॉटन
यस
से
मैम.
क्लीन करते हैं. कॉटन कम्स फ्रॉम द
यस
कॉटन
मैम.
प्लांट. कॉटन का प्लांट होता है, पेड़ होता है, उसमें कॉटन ग्रो होती है. देर आर लिटिल लिटिल पॉड्स, इसके अंदर कॉटन ग्रो होती है, वो निकाला जाता है, और इसी
यस
कॉटन को
मैम.
वीव करके कपड़े बनते हैं. कॉटन के कपड़े बनते हैं. अभी जो आप सब ने पहना हुआ है कॉटन के कपड़े, ये सब कॉटन से वीव होता है. अधिराज, प्लीज पे अटेंशन. Now see the pictures over there. You can see the beautiful pictures. Children wearing cotton clothes. Can you see these children wearing lovely cotton clothes? Yes? Okay, these are cotton clothes. We wear them in the summer season. Ayat, we wear cotton clothes in which season? I just said
समर सीजन मैम.
summer season. ईशानवी, cotton clothes किस सीजन में पहनते हैं हम?
मैम समर सीजन.
Summer season. Okay. Sakina, cotton clothes we wear in which season? Your mic is off, Sakina. Summer season. Okay. And Rainy season, we use raincoats during the rainy season. It saves us from getting wet. Raincoats are made of rubber, which comes from rubber trees. Now, raincoats are made of rubber, which comes from rubber trees. Cotton comes from the cotton plant. Rubber comes from the rubber trees. Umbrellas and gumboots are also used in the rainy season. अभी मैंने आप लोग को बताया था rainy season में हम umbrella और gumboots भी use करते हैं. Then winter season we wear clothes made of wool, leather and fur. In winter they protect us from cold. आप लोग विंटर्स में जो जैकेट्स पहनते हैं, कभी कभी आपने देखा आपके जैकेट पे जो हुड होता है उसमें बहुत अच्छा सा फर लगा होता है. Okay, and some of you wear leather jackets. We get fur and leather from the animals. Okay, we get this from the animals. Now, of course, animals, we do not kill animals. So, you have all artificial fur and then you have leather also that is not pure, right? So, in winters, they keep you warm. ये सब मटेरियल आपको विंटर्स में गर्म रखता है. सो हम लोग विंटर में ये सब चीजें यूज करते हैं. नाउ फॉर होमवर्क यू विल रीड दिस लेसन. यू विल रीड दिस लेसन टिल हियर. यहाँ तक इस लेसन को होमवर्क के लिए आज रीड करेंगे. ओके, नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू join your hands, close your eyes. Let's say our prayers. And before we end the class, tomorrow, who is saying the prayer for the assembly tomorrow? कल असेंबली के लिए प्रेयर कौन कर रहा है? किसको बताया था मैम ने? Yes, Aradhya, switch on your mic and say, ma'am, I will do the prayer tomorrow. Aradhya Shivastav. Come on.
Aradhya Shivastav.
Yes, that's good. You have to learn to speak up. Loudly you have to speak, okay? Tomorrow, children, Aradhya will be saying the morning assembly prayer. And then I will tell you who will say next. All of you have to learn the prayer. Everyone has to learn up the Our Father prayer. Okay, so that...
मैम मुझे याद है फादर.
शिवांश, जब आपकी टर्न आएगी तब आप असेंबली की प्रेयर करेंगे. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. And remember, children, you have to join the class on time. Do not be late. Aradhya, remember, do not be late. You have to say the assembly prayer tomorrow. So join on time, child. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, all of you join your hands. We finished with our classes. Let's say our prayers. I'll be sending the homework in the group. Oh God, thank you for giving me another beautiful day in my life. Thank you for the lessons I have learned today, the friends I have met. Thank you for the love and care I have received from my companions, and teaching and friendship I have received from my teachers in my school. Hear this prayer and give me always a grateful heart for your love's sake. Amen. Now children, before we go, one very important thing. Listen carefully. जिस दिन भी आपका बर्थडे होगा, तो आप मुझे क्लास में ज्वाइन करके मॉर्निंग में बता दीजिएगा. ओके, देन वी विल ऑल सिंग हैप्पी बर्थडे फॉर यू. जिसका भी बर्थडे होगा वो हमें बता देंगे. राइट? सो वी विल सिंग हैप्पी बर्थडे फॉर ऑल. राइट? वी विल सेलिब्रेट योर बर्थडे. जैसे स्कूल में हम लोग करते थे ना, क्लास में हम लोग हैप्पी बर्थडे सिंग करते थे सब फ्रेंड्स के लिए. विल डू द सेम. चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज योर क्लास.
Ma'am, my birthday is 26th March.
Still time. Okay. Now finish this year. Now children, remember, this is your school for the time being. This is a temporary school that we are having.
Ma'am, my birthday
I am
October.
not asking just now. These are not good manners. रिमेम्बर, जिस दिन बर्थडे होगा उस दिन आप मुझे बताएंगे या मम्मी से बोलेंगे, मुझे पर्सनल पर मैसेज कर देंगी। एक दिन पहले पर्सनल पर मैसेज कर देंगी कि कल आपका बर्थडे है। ओके, then we'll all sing happy birthday for you. Remember, we are in a temporary school, this online classes. Okay, we've tried to give you the best, right? So you also have to be happy with everything. Now you can exit. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children.